$10,000. That's just about how much it costs to grant a wish to a child and make it come true. Mackenzie Jarrell has more on how a local event raises those funds.
We're here at Wish Upon a Food Truck Festival. As you can see, there's dozens of people here, dozens of food trucks. This is actually the first year the event is back in the Mid-State after a bit of a hiatus.
It went away because pandemic, it was really difficult to bring people back.
So this year, Pavrul Lothra worked to bring those people and the event back.
This is a grassroots event. I called 6 of my closest friends and I'm like, hey, we have an opportunity. We want to bring this event back. Will you help me? And I did not get one no.
As the event helps grant a Mid-State Kids Make-A-Wish.
The goal is to raise about $10,000. That is the average cost of what it takes to make a one wish come true.
The Straub family from Snyder County was at the event. They know firsthand how beneficial supporting the Make-A-Wish Foundation is.
Our daughter is a Make-A-Wish kid, and Make-A-Wish is such a wonderful organization that grants wishes to kids with severe medical needs, and it just gives them a chance to focus on something positive instead of all the scary negative things in their lives.
Jennifer and Joseph's daughter, Emma's Make-A-Wish, was granted back in 2003 with a trip to Walt Disney World.
And it was just so special and amazing. And I got to eat at the T-Rex Cafe, and I loved it because I love dinosaurs. So when I was born, my esophagus was attached to my windpipe instead of my stomach. There was also a narrow spot in my aortic arch, so it needed to be cut out and reformed. I also needed hip surgery because it was growing out of the socket, and a bunch of other things.
The Straubs making it a point to attend events like this, supporting other kids like Emma.
See, it couldn't be a more beautiful day. Such an amazing turnout already, and just raising money for Make-A-Wish just means so much to us personally and just all the families. It's amazing.
Mackenzie Jarrell, ABC 27 News.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.